Hi, I am your friend Avinash, and today's video topic is difference between multitasking and multiprocessing. In uh, in multitasking, first one is a definition: the execution of more than one the execution of more than one task simultaneously is known as multitasking, whereas uh, multiprocessing means the availability of more than one processes per system that can execute several set of instructions in parallel is known as multiprocessing. Next one is the number of CPU is 1 in case of multitasking, whereas in case of multiprocessing the number of CPU is more than 1. Um, Multitasking takes moderate amount of time, whereas multiprocessing takes less amount of time, uh, whereas multiprocessing takes less amount of time for job processing. In multitasking, this is one in multitasking, one by one job is being executed at a time, whereas in multiprocessing more than one processes can be executed at a time. In multitasking is economical, whereas multiprocessing is less economical. The number of users is more than one in case of multitasking, whereas in multiprocessing the number of users is can be one or more than one. Throughput is moderate in case of multitasking, whereas throughput uh, is maximum in case of multiprocessing. Uh, Efficiency of multitasking is moderate, whereas efficiency of multiprocessing is maximum. Multitasking are of two types: single user multitasking and multiple user multitasking, whereas multiprocessing are of also two types. First one is symmetric multitasking and asymmetric multitasking. Now further there are two more types of multitasking: process based and method based, and thread based. Sorry. In process based, in process based multitasking, let's take an example. Suppose uh, uh, music is playing, as well as we are working on my MS Office. Music contains if music contains music playlist contains 10 music, and at a time one music is playing, and remaining 9 music are on wait, whereas in microoffice we can use Word, PowerPoint, Excel, any of those. If we are using PowerPoint, then Excel and Word are on waiting, and both tasks, that is music playing and presentation, are simultaneously working. Whereas in thread based, there is single program and at a time we can use multiple threads. There is no need that means threads are independent of each other. There is no need to completion of one thread in order to execute another thread. Let's take instead of if we take main thread and execute the program, it will take 10 minutes. Instead of that, if we take two threads, and one started from the start and one from the middle, then within the time will get reduced. within 5 minutes we can complete the same task. Process based, the logic is in process based, this logic is used in multiple program, whereas thread based logic is used in single program, and there is no interrelation between the programs of process based type multitasking. Okay, that's all about difference between multitasking and multiprocessing.